This video is an introduction to the 2024 Science Buddies Engineering Challenge. The goal of this year's challenge is to build a rubber band powered car that can go as far as possible. You can enter your design for a chance to win a cash prize for your school or nonprofit organization. In this video, we'll go over the challenge rules, but you can find the complete rules and entry information linked in the video description. The basic idea is that the farther your car goes and the fewer materials you use, the higher your score. You can only use certain materials to build your car if you want to enter it in the contest. Each material has a maximum allowed quantity and point cost associated with it. There are many ways you can build a rubber band powered car using these materials, and only a few of them are pictured here, so you have plenty of room to be creative, but you do have to follow some rules. Number 1, you must build a vehicle with a frame, at least one axle, and at least one wheel. So you can't just roll a single wheel that isn't attached to anything. Number 2, no parts of your car can fall off or detach during the test. This means that you can't build a catapult or use a rubber band to launch your car. The rubber band needs to be attached to the car. Number 3, the car must be powered entirely by one or more rubber bands. No other sources of forward force or movement, such as pushing or blowing on the car, are allowed. Number 4, all rubber bands must be twisted or tightened by hand. Up to 2 people can help do this, but no external tools like wrenches or power drills are allowed. Number 5, the test must be conducted on a flat surface. Any surface, such as carpet, wood, or concrete, is acceptable, but you can't roll the car downhill. Number 6, you must mark a straight start line on the floor. The car must start completely behind this line during your test. Number 7, after the car has been released, no one can touch the car, and it cannot touch or bump into any objects until it comes to a complete stop on its own. And number 8, after the car has come to a complete stop, distance is measured from the point on the start line directly in front of where the car started to the closest point on the car, as shown here. Your final score is then calculated as 2 times the distance in centimeters minus the total materials points. We have a separate video with an example score calculation and a worksheet to help you calculate your score, all available in the video description. Students in grades K through 12 can enter the contest in teams of 1 to 4. Remember to check out the link in the video description for complete contest rules, eligibility, and entry information. Have fun and good luck in the 2024 Science Buddies Engineering Challenge.